What is up, y'all? Nacho Melly here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be building my $1,000 gaming PC. I'm sorry it took so long. I've just been really busy and stuff, so. Now I should put in the RAM. This is the RAM I'm using. I'm so smart. Okay, it's still not going in. What are you doing? Okay. Alright, so that's one. And that is two. Let me see if I can line this up. I think I did it. I do not know. Yeah, looks good. Goes here. Alright, that is screwed in. So you must go here, here. Okay. Satisfying. And it should click. Oh my god. Right. I dropped a screw. Where'd you go? Where did you go? Alright, we are done with that. I feel like screwing down these fans because they're on the top. My PC isn't going to be doing backflips, so there's no need to screw it down. Just snap on. I'm putting this in. Oh, it's not even the right one. Can't blame me. Guess this one will go here. I lost my scissors. How did you lose scissors? They were right in front of my face. I'm gonna snip that off. Snip that off. Now it's time to see if this thing works. Alright, we are now all good to go. I downloaded everything I needed. And I will now show you shots of the PC. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and make sure to like and comment, and I will see you guys later. Bye.